Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I've got my second box that I've ever gotten from Bluelots.com, and I'm going to unbox it right here for you in just a moment. All right, I got my second box from Bluelots, and I'm going to do an unboxing, and I want to give you a few details about this box. I spent $150 on this box. That's the cost of it, and it has 12 units in it, and you might think, oh my goodness, $150, 12 units. This is very, very high-end clothing. Well, the title of this one is called Granite Gear, Sea to Summit, and More Outdoor Accessories Liquidation Lot. Everything is in brand new condition. It originally retails at $643, and so that kind of gives you an idea of where we're at. So I've got 12 items in it. We're going to just go ahead and break this guy open and see what we got in the box. If I can get the box even open. There we go. I misplaced my box cutter, so I'm gonna have to go hunting for it. Alrighty. So everything always comes packaged really nice from Bluelots. And I have made money on the other box that I got. So if you just buy it right. So it looks like I've got a manifest that has all the exact same things because I printed it off so that I would know what everything's called. Padding, which is awesome for when I have to send things back in. All right, as you can see, brand new condition, a tech towel wash kit. So these are very high end. It's a face cloth, wilderness wash, all comes together. So I've got 1, 2, I'll put these around so we can give a view at the end. 3, 4 of them. And then, let me see, we've got a Shock Doctor elbow support, gel support, and strap. Now, I do know that I've tried to sell a lot of kind of compression socks and braces and things like that. And sometimes these fall under medical supplies, so I have to put them on eBay instead of Amazon. But this one may go on Amazon. I'll have to look it up. I'm going to do a second video to let you know about that. Let's see. We've got this is a Granite Gear Toughness Stuff Sack. So it's a sack it's like almost looks like a giant laundry bag, but not mesh. Okay, so that's a sack. And then another one, it's called a dry sack. So it's basically lined so that your stuff doesn't get wet. So it's almost like rubber, it seems like. Granite Gear brand, which is very high end. This is a something. A-L-I-T-E, a light chair. It's a perfectly portable, very versatile chair. That thing is tiny. Look at it compared to me. It's miniature, and it looks like it folds completely up. It's basically like one of those low cedar kind of beach chairs, but it folds all the way out to fit an adult. This is awesome. That's tiny. All right, and then we've got a Power 4 compression, Phase 4 heavyweight tech fleece. It looks like a compression shirt. So compression fits shirt. Okay, this is let me see, Toad & Company, and I think the one item that I did sell from the other one is a Toad & Company Diamond Cardi Falcon Brown. So I think it's a cardigan. Kind of give you a glimpse at what it is. Yeah, it's like a sweater cardigan. So a men's sweater, Toad & Company. Let's see, a few more things in here. This is a bomber blue, it's a shirt of some sort, I believe. Let's see if it's on here. Granite Gear. It's microfiber blue, the North Face Mountain Athletics shirt. So a t-shirt. But it's those microfiber moisture wicking type of shirt. And then this is the last thing in here. It's mountain khakis. And the brand is MK, made in Wyoming, but they're mountain khakis, 33 by 9. Must be a different kind of branding. 9 inches because it's shorts, not pants. That's why it's only 9 inches long. So these are brand new. They even come, look at this keychain. It's a big old buffalo, and it's actually a metal keychain on there. So very high-end stuff. So let's just get kind of a glimpse. I'm going to lay everything out so you can get a good look at everything. And what it looks like. cardigan, tech towels, all this stuff here. So really nice condition. Everything is brand new. I'm excited to see what I can get listed. I'm going to do a second video and let you know how much everything lists, what I can potentially list everything for, and can I find everything on Amazon, or will I have to put some of it on eBay. But it's all in good condition, easily shippable to Amazon. Nothing's going to break, obviously, because it's mostly clothing and fabric items. But I'm really excited about this second lot that I got from Bluelots. Also, if you haven't heard, they now have a listing tool. So if you do buy items from Bluelots, because they have all the UPC codes and the lookup codes, you can actually click the button and list directly from eBay to Amazon. I've not currently used that yet. I'm excited to try it out. But if you have used the Bluelots listing tool, please let me know and leave the comments. Let me know how user-friendly it is, because I would love to be able to find out about that. So second lot from Bluelots, really excited, very high-end stuff, and I'm going to do a second video to let you know how much I think I can potentially make on this. So $150, 12 items, very high-end, very good condition, brand new condition, and we'll see how much we can make. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.